hard. Dude. Girl, why are you jacking your hind end up like that? Oh my God. Stretch. Stop stretching out. What are you doing? I mean, what are you trying to get it up there higher? You got to stop, girlfriend. Is this what does it? You know, Mama Vicky sitting here watching y'all. Y'all gonna stop? Y'all. I hope y'all are ashamed. I really hope you're ashamed. Yeah. I'm talking to you, Red. I'm talking to you too, baby girl. Y'all should. Well, excuse me. Don't be growling at me. Don't you dare be growling at me, dude. You are not supposed to do that in front of me. Nope. 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 You ain't. So y'all just need to chill out. I guess y'all want me to leave. Is that what it want? You want me to leave? Well, guess what? I'm not going to leave if that's what it takes not to have a baby. I'm going to sit here and watch y'all all night long. Yep, I sure am. Get away from her, Red. You should be ashamed of yourself, Red. I'm not giving you no honey buns. No, you better drop that tail, girlfriend. Drop it.